Hello, hello. All right, guys. As you can see, I got some NFL contenders to unpack today. I'm not doing all these. I got some more too, and some of them will be going on sale online. Fun the hobby, right? All right, that's where we're at. I'm kind of deciding right now. Uh, let's put these aside. We're not gonna do that stack today. I don't know. We'll see. I usually do three because I like to keep my videos around that 12-minute mark. So we'll do these three and then we'll see how it goes. And time-wise, where we're at, maybe I'll throw in a fourth. I'm lying. I'll probably still stick it at three, right? I think my base game on this is pretty tight right now. All right. So I was kind of debating on whether I just want to open any more fat packs at all because, I mean, what's my odds on getting anything else that's really good out of the fat packs versus selling those and opening up another blaster? So yeah, I'm still kind of going back and forth with that. But the thing is, why I'm debating it, because I haven't pulled the big card out of those yet, and I grabbed the entire display of those. So it's like something good might be in one of these fat packs, really good, So it's like pick your poison, right? Base. Here we go. Here's to the back. MVP. Kyle Murray. Rookie of the Year. Isaiah Simmons. So that's a rook. And we got two of these, and one of these is the embossed, right? The green, emerald green, I guess is what they're calling it. All right. Hit that a little bit. And these are not numbered, I believe. Getting a numbered card out of these, I've gotten one so far out of like 6 or 7 blasters. Even the good rookie autos and patches and stuff like that are not. So okay, so we'll put that one. Maybe we put it in the sleeve right now, because these emerald ones are not that easy to come by as well. Man, they like to flip them, right? And we're getting towards the back. So what do we get? Winning ticket. Aaron Rodgers. That's a nice one. That's a nice little insert set. MVP Tom Brady. And we got a rook. J.K. Dobbins. And legendary Emmitt Smith. You don't need 2 stacks of MVPs. I think I may go that route. I gotta think it's gonna be, at least I'm out of the blaster. I know I'm gonna get a an autograph or the patch, probably, right? That's what I've been getting as of late. Gardner Minshew on that one. The Jags got the #1 pick. And Sorry, dude. You can start the first couple games, then the number 1 draft pick's going to come in and take your spot. That's just the way it is. Nothing personal. I'm not even a Jags fan. I'm just telling you it's unfortunate reality for you. Go into the right mindset, brother. That you're a 2 or 3 game guy, if that. There's no way they don't take that quarterback with that first pick. My homie. Newt. MVP. Dak. That's a double right there for me. And we got right here, Rookie of the Year, KJ Handler. And another MVP, Russell Will. And we got, this is a pretty decent pack right here, man. Chase Claypool. I did not have a Chase Claypool yet, so this was a good pack. 2 Rookie of the Years. You usually only get like 1 out of these packs, if that. Hold on a second. Who's at the door? Never mind. Just a mail lady. She can do her thing. Was that 3 packs? Holy crap, it was. Okay, we'll go ahead and do another one, since we're under minutes here. Man, that went by quick. You're blowing through all the base early on. I hope I got a round number of fat packs. If I'm going to list them, I like to list them in a round number. Like 10. 10 for 100, you know? It's like a winning ticket insert. Round numbers. There's the winning ticket, Lamar Jackson. Oh, that's a nice one. MVP Patty Mahomes, actually one that's possible. And we got the Emerald Isaiah Simmons, Rookie of the Year. Not bad there. Don't pull too many of those Emeralds. The other one I got was Jalen Hurts. All right, guys. That's it. Bye for now. On to the next. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Tell me if you pull this. What's the best card you got? What's your best experience with these? What your opinion is in general. Thanks. I'm out.